Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. I'm doing a super fun video and I am making all of my food for the week, and everything for each day is going to be under 1100 calories. So I wanted to keep everything pretty low calorie and just gonna have everything prepped ready for the week. I will list it all in the description box on what I'm having, and I'll put the approximate calories next to it. And so I am really excited to get all this ready for you guys. For breakfast, I got some Egg Life wraps, and I'm gonna use turkey bacon with that breakfast. For lunch and or dinner, I'm gonna do some ground chicken burrito bowls and a mason jar Caesar salad. You guys know I'm obsessed with mason jar salads. And then I'm gonna do some snacks also. So fruits and veggies for snacks, and then I got some yogurt that's low in calories, low in sugar. So I'm gonna have everything ready to go for the week, under 1100 calories, so no excuses to be super healthy this week because everything's gonna be organized and ready to go. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Tons of healthy videos for you guys to give you a little motivation to do some meal prepping. So I'm gonna get all this ready to go for the week. Okay, so I have my turkey bacon. I'm going to make it in my air fryer. I love making bacon in the air fryer. The air fryer is seriously one of the best inventions. You can do so many things in it. So I'm going to cook up the turkey bacon, which is so yummy, and I love how low calorie it is, how healthy it is. So I'm going to cook up a few pieces of this for the little breakfast wraps. I have these awesome Egg Life wraps, 25 calories per wrap. Definitely can't beat that. And they're really, really good. So I'm just gonna wrap these up with my turkey bacon and a little bit of cheddar cheese, and these will be a really delicious breakfast. I heat these up a little bit to warm them up before I eat them, and it's a really, like I said, really yummy breakfast. So for this one, I'm going to use ground chicken. So this could be either lunch or dinner, but it's going to be ground chicken, like scramble bowl, and going to be a Southwest style. So I'm just going to brown all my ground chicken. You can use ground turkey also. They're both really lean, low in calories. So I have this all browned, and I will drain any fats that there are, and then I will add the rest of my ingredients in. So I'm gonna use, I have riced cauliflower. I just love this. You steam it in the bag, really, really easy, and it turns out perfect. So riced cauliflower, I have a tablespoon of taco seasoning. I'm gonna use a can of Rotel, and I like to do it with the diced chilies, gives it awesome flavor, and a can of corn. So I'm gonna mix all of this together. I love just kind of mixing everything in one skillet. It definitely makes cleanup easier, and I just love all the flavors combining with each other. All right, I'm gonna portion the ground chicken burrito bowl into my meal prep containers. You guys know these are the ones I use for all my meal prepping that I love so, so much. So I'm gonna portion it all out. I'm gonna add on this salsa verde, and you guys can add on as much of this literally as you want. 10 calories. It is so good. It gives it such a good kick. This is the mild one because it's my favorite, but really good, and 10 calories for 2 tablespoons, you guys. So super low calorie. And then a little sprinkle of cheddar cheese because you guys know I can't really have a meal without cheese because I love it. So I'm gonna portion everything out and then this will be ready to go. All right, you guys, this one is perfect for lunch or for dinner. So I am so excited to have these ready for the week. So I have my mason jars and I'm going to be doing a chicken Caesar salad for this week. I love mason jar salads. I could seriously eat them every single week. They are definitely my favorite. They stay fresh all week long, which I absolutely love. So I am going to do the diced chicken. You can use any kind of cooked chicken you like. Rotisserie chicken is also really good in these mason jar salads. And I have some fresh Parmesan cheese that I grated, and fresh is so good, so much flavor, but you can use any kind of Parmesan cheese that you like. So I'm just going to put the Parmesan cheese in next. Then I'll add in my lettuce. I will portion out the salad dressing also into my salad dressing cups, and these salads will be all prepped and ready for the week. All right, you guys, I'm so excited to have all of this healthy food ready for the week. Every day is going to be under 1,100 calories. So keeping it low-cal, trying to just get super healthy for the beginning of summer. So for breakfast with our Egg Life wraps, so good with turkey bacon, a little bit of cheese, the Two Goods yogurt with 2 grams of sugar per cup, which is so awesome, and 80 calories. Got my snack packs with fruits and veggies, have my burrito bowl, super good with ground chicken, and I have my mason jar salads. You guys know I am obsessed with my mason jar salads. But I am really excited to have all this healthy food ready to go for the week. I hope that this gives you some inspiration to cook up some healthy meals to have ready so that you're nice and organized. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and click the bell button next to subscribe so that you get a notification when I post new videos. Lots of videos with healthy recipes, and so I hope you guys enjoy them. Have a really great day, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.